Hey kids, Gayne here for North American Hunter, and this is the Orca 40-quart cooler. Now, I and the rest of the riding staff over here at North American Hunter had a great idea for a review. Unfortunately, SeaWorld didn't exactly see eye to eye with our plans.
Shamu Stadium, this is Kelly.
Hey Kelly, Gayne here from North American Hunter.
What?
I'm a rider from North American Hunter.
Okay.
Listen, I got an Orca Cooler.
A cooler?
Yeah, it's like an ice chest.
Okay.
And I was thinking it'd be fun to have an actual orca test it.
What? Test it? I don't think I understand.
Well, I'd fill the cooler with like mackerel or a frozen seal head.
Frozen seal head?
Yeah, y'all got any of those?
No, we do not. We are in the business of protecting animals, not...
Don't get all up on your high horse there, Kelly. I just thought maybe you had a decapitated seal head, maybe a dolphin head laying around.
No, we don't. No.
Oh. Anyway, I'll shove whatever you got in a cooler there, and I'll throw it in the pond with your whale and see if he can bust into it.
Oh, I assure you, Shamu could. His bite force is 19,000 psi.
That's pretty strong. Can I get that on film? You know, toss the cooler in there with him. Maybe he can bite down on it.
No! Oh my God, and I'm hanging up.
Come on, girl. You sound kind of cute.
Goodbye.
Man, would that not have been cool, though, if we could pull it off? Get Shamu to bite into this sucker? Maybe get out a frozen seal head or something? Okay. Anyway, bottom line, Orca is a fantastic cooler, and face it, you're probably not going to have that many Orca encounters in your life where you're going to have a killer whale-proof cooler. So bottom line, this is worth looking into. Check out all the features and how to get it in the links below.